how to turn on or off followers and following on your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your followers and following. So first thing, go to your Imo app. Once you are here, click on your profile icon and now click on settings and you're gonna find privacy. Click on it, scroll down, and on your profile options you have who can see my avatar, followers and following, and voice club room. The second option, which is followers and following, you can turn off or on this option whatever you are comfortable with or whatever you want. And this is it, easy. Just click on setting privacy and you're gonna find your followers and following. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.